Hello world, this is Banner from D2Soft Technologies. So today, let's play Secret Agent HD. So it's a remake of the original game from Apogee Software, Secret Agent, that was released in 1992. So this new HD remake was released in 2021, and it's a game created by Ember Heart Games. So actually they released Secret Agent HD and Crystal Cave HD in pretty much the same time, very close in terms of dates. And those two games are built on the same engine originally from Apogee Software. So that's why you will find also Secret Agent and Crystal Cave, they look really similar in terms of graphics, in terms of gameplay. And this new HD has a new feature. Well, actually it has a couple of new features. So for example, if you go in new game, there's actually 4 episodes instead of 3. And there are also improved graphics. Maybe also I think the music was remastered. And there's a level editor that will come back to that in a couple of minutes. So but first let's go with the new game here just to show you. It's a hard game, so I'll choose easy. And when I was a kid, I was playing actually the shareware version of this game, so you would get only the first episode. So this is the overhead map where you choose your level. And let's go and choose one here. And you'll see it's a very simple game. It's a platforming game where you have to pick up things and exit the level. You have to destroy a satellite dish to leave the level before you can leave, and you have to also explode the door. So there's different things to pick up. There will be doors that you have to unlock, and there's gonna be enemies you have to kill. So it's not an easy game, and the platforming, the jumping is quite precise. So it's not always easy to get where you want to go, and you might fall a lot in this game and you'll have to restart often. But it's a classic from Apogee, and I'm glad they did this remake, this AG remake. It's really cool. It looks great, the graphics are great. You cannot switch between the original graphics and the HD graphics, but it's okay. It's not a big deal for that. There's a new Biomenace that is coming from some guys are redoing it, and it looked great. I did a video about it. And you can actually switch between the old and the new graphics. So if you want to check it out, there's a demo on Steam. And you can also see my video if you want to see more about this demo. The game will be released at the end of 2025. So again, this is a small platformer game. It's really fun for kids. If you have kids, it's safe. I know my kids have played a lot with this game, and I don't mind they play for for quite a bit with this, because there's nothing really that will cause any problem here. And yeah, just now I realized once you completely die, you have to restart the whole thing. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why this game is so hard. But you have a good idea of what kind of game it is. So let me show you just another level to have another view of graphics here. So I really like the style graphics, and originally I liked that the level were very different from one to the other. So Apogee did a good job there back in time to create those levels. And let's go back, and I'm gonna do a new game. So let's go to the title screen, and let's start just a new game with the 4th episode, which is something that was not there before. And you see this is the map here. And it seems like it's a new episode that has a lot of content. So if you're a big fan of those kind of levels, I think that you're gonna enjoy very much seeing this. here. Okay, so let's go now with the main feature I wanted to show you. Title. I'm gonna go to the level editor. So this is really nice, really nice. So what you do here is that you can actually create your own levels. You have a space here on the bottom right. This is your overall map. So you can take different objects here. So for example, let's take the background. I'm gonna put some background tiles here, and I'll just put here a bunch here, like this. So it's gonna look like we're actually in a room, like this. I will put here are the tiles that you can interact with. So let's put that as a floor, and I'm gonna put all around so you can actually move over your map using the arrow keys on the keyboard. So, and there you go. Okay, so already this looks like a room. So here I can go in the objects. I can place my secret agent here. Let's put it here, and let's put some kind of floor under him. So I'm gonna put something like that. Okay, so this is gonna be like the start of the level, and you can just, you know, like the imagination you can have is creating that thing. If you're an artist, or even if you're not an artist, you can do really nice things. So you need here there's a validate map icon. So when you click on that, it says what you're missing. Okay, so what actually you need for creating a map: you need a personage, so the player. You need a bomb, so this will allow you to destroy the exit door. So if you will actually open the exit door, I don't know, like, yeah, that's how it's done. So let's go here. I'm gonna go and put the exit is this one here. Just put it here at the end. Let's put an enemy that's gonna be walking around. Maybe another one. Let's put it here. Reverse side this time. And let's put also a little door, the object, so you can actually put doors that are locked. Those doors are locked using keys. So I'm gonna put a key here. Okay. And so now we have, if I do the validate map, we're missing still a dish. So the dish, if I go here in the objects, this is the dish here. Okay, so let's put it here on top, and let's find a way for us to go there. So we could actually put hidden platforms like these. Okay, so these ones will only show up if you get the proper glasses. I'm gonna take a pair of glasses here in the pickups, blue. All right, and let's put them just here. Well, let's put them here, like that. And I might need another tile here for walking. So there's so many options of graphics. It's really cool. I like the different graphics and the style you can do. And if you spend a lot of time doing that, you'll do great levels, great looking levels. So once you're done with your level, this is my level here. And if I go here like that, okay, so you have an overview of my level here. So if I want to play it, first I need to set the level's name. So let's put my level here, then level 1, and author. And then here what you can do is actually put music if you want. Alright, this is good. No, this one before. Let's go with this one. Let's put a little bit of leaves. Okay. So actually you can put some effects. Let's put snow. Snow H, I don't know what it is. Let's put that. And let's put city background. Alright. So now we have our city background just there. So it adds a little bit of depth to our game. And now we can save it. Save it as Ben 2. I have another level created here, and now we can actually play it. So if we do play here, right? So I can pick up my objects, I pick up the key, I can shoot. So the enemies, I actually selected hard enemies to start and don't have enough weapons. I cannot... I won't be able to exit unless I destroy the radar dish, so let's do that. Let's go up. And now I just realized that I don't have enough weapons. So let's go back. Let's go back to our edition, pressing escape, and we're gonna add some weapons. This way we're gonna be able to destroy the dish. So I believe it's in pickup. And here, let's put that. And let's put an old floppy from Apogee here, maybe 2. Actually, it's just 1. Okay, alright. So what I like also the editor, although it's not like fully user-friendly, but it does give some information. So there's a lot of things you can do that I even didn't explore everything, all the features here, but you can do pretty complex thing here. So let's save that just in case, and let's play again. So let's try not to die before getting to the exit. I could pick up all the guns here, the floppy. Let's shoot. Right, got it. Let's go out. And there you go. Our first level is done. So that's how it works for the level editor, and then you can actually open and you can select other levels you did in the past. And if you want to exit, you can share also those levels with others, so you can actually, you have the file created. It's very easy to use and it's really nice, and the kids, they love it. If you have kids, you'll see that they can actually learn to do some game design, so it's worth it. It's a cheap game also, it's not very expensive, and give it a try. It's available on Steam or on Good Old Game. So I hope you enjoyed this little overview of Secret Agent HD. Thanks for watching, and leave me your comments about your own story about this game or any other Apogee software that you like back in time. And hope to see you again. Subscribe to my channel. I'll talk about retro computer game, or I do coding, programming, also talk about technology. So make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.